अब अगला हमारा कार्यक्रम is Dadra. The next batch of students are ones we are super proud of, as they are the very first batch of the children who joined Tridhara in 2018. They are now the senior most kids batch in their 7th year of training, and they regularly perform in various events and competitions outside of Tridhara as well. Today, the students will perform a Dadra, which is both a genre of singing and a time cycle of 6 beats. बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं literally translates to a yearning, a desire. How can I make Krishna mine? What makes this composition so appealing is that it entirely plays out in the imagination of the Naika. None of what she is thinking and is happening in the real world. She imagines make-believe scenarios and how she would react if Krishna actually came to her. She thinks to herself, if a really hot wind blows, I will protect Krishna. If he feels sleepy, I will make the bed for him. She thinks of the many different ways in which she can woo Krishna and be around him. The beauty of this composition lies in the imaginary if. It's an old but timeless piece written and composed by Pandit Bindadeen Maharaj Ji, one of the founders of Lucknow Gharana, or the Kalka Bindadeen Gharana of Kathak. This piece has been choreographed by Siddhi Goyal. It is presented by Sukriti Vig, Shagun Bhalla, Navya Mundra, Divya Chaudhary and Gauri Zape. Presenting Dadra.
राधा देखे कृष्ण को, कृष्ण राधिका के का कहूँ चंद्रमा के का कहूँ चकोर। राधा देखे कृष्ण को, कृष्ण राधिका और के का कहूँ चंद्रमा के का कहूँ
Some of you who have been with us from the start would recognize some of these girls. They are the first batch of children to have joined Tridhara in January of 2018. And they were in the first Nityanjali just, I think, 7 or 8 months after they started learning. And they were tiny little girls like the first batch of children. And it's so heartwarming and so rewarding and fulfilling to see how they've grown into these lovely Mugdha Nayikas and doing their first Abhinaya piece today. So we're so proud of them. Another thing I would like to mention here, someone I would like to mention here is Siddhi Goel. Siddhi Goel, as many of you know, joined our institute as a teacher last year. It's been just over a year. She moved from Kathak Kendra. She's a Kathak Kendra alumnus, and she moved to Pune a year ago, and she's been teaching at Tridhara. This is the batch who she works with, and she can take full credit for putting this piece together. She has been working with the girls, and they've been working very hard on this piece. She should actually be the one sitting here. Unfortunately, she has had a small injury. She's here today, so Siddhi, I can't see you, but thank you so much for looking after these blossoming young dancers, and yes, I'm very proud to be sitting in your place, but watching them today.